Hello everyone. In order to be able to make some photos with the Polaroid, you need some film. And in this video I will show you how can you insert the film in a proper way. First, let's unbox the film case, the film box, and then we will see what is inside. So it is in a little foil. Let's disassemble that one as well. And it's a plastic case with a top cover on top of it. It's really funny, it's really nice, and it seems to be a good material. In order to insert in the Polaroid, there is a button. Once you press it, then the feeder will open. And you can insert just like with the front. I haven't turned on the Polaroid, and once I close the case, then the first layer of the film will be out automatically. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.